Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for our intro, we're just playing a G chord, and our strumming pattern will be down, 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 up, down, down, up. And just play the open D string, and you can hold that G chord while you're doing that. And then we repeat that again. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Open D strings. Let's try that slowly. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, we're going to start on the G. Now the strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, and we just do that 2 times, and that equals 1 bar. So the G for 1 bar. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then we're going to D over F sharp, so we've got the F sharp on our low E string there with our thumb. Again, 1 bar, same strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. To E minor for half a bar, so just down, 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 up. E minor 7, half a bar again, down, 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 up. Then we're going to C, and we're going to do our strumming pattern again, down, 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 up. But then we're going to stay on the C and do a down, down, up. To the D, down, down, up. So from that C there, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we repeat again to the G for 1 bar. To the D over F sharp, the same. To the E minor, the same. E minor, the 7, the same. This time we're going to an A7, and we're going to do it similar to the C. We're going to have down, 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 up, and then down, down, up, and then go to an A7 sus4, down, down, up. So from that A7 there, down, 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 up, down, down, up, A7 sus4, down, down, up. And that's our verse there. So for our pre-chorus, we're starting on the C for 1 bar, and our strumming pattern stays the same. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. To G over B, 1 bar again, so it's just a G chord, but don't include the top E string, and a bar there. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. C, half a bar, so down, 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 up. C over B, half a bar, on down, down, up. A minor, half a bar, on down, down, up. Then to the G, we're just going to do a down, down, up. To the A minor 7 over E, so just play an A minor 7 chord and include the top E string, and again down, down, up. So down, down, up. So from that A minor there, and that's our pre-chorus C. So for our first chorus, we're going to start on the D, half a bar, so down, 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 up. Then we're going to go to this D sus2 over E here. So we're going to have the 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd on the B, and an open E string, and just a down, down, up. Back to the D, down, down, up. So we have to G for half a bar, down, 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 up. and then G over A with our down, down, up, G over B, down, down, up. So from the G, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then to C for half a bar, same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, D7 half a bar, down, 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 up, G half a bar, down, down, up, and then to finish back from C to D. So down, down, up, and to D, down, down, up. And that's our first chorus there. From there we just repeat our verse again, and there's a second guitar doing some solo fills, so let's have a look at those because they're quite easy. So we're just beating the 10th fret on the B string, and then just playing the 8th fret, and we do that 2 times there, and they're all the parts to our second verse. From there just go back to the pre-chorus, so that stays the same, back to our chorus, that stays the same as well. So for our bridge, all half bars here, starting on our G, so down, 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 to our D over F sharp, half a bar, E minor, half a bar, D half a bar, to C, half a bar, C over B, half a bar, A minor, half a bar, back to D for half a bar. And we just do that 2 times there, and that's our bridge. So for our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end, it's just the last line of our verse. So the G for a bar, D over F sharp for a bar, E minor, half a bar, E minor 7, to our A7, and our down, 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 up, down, down, up, to our A7 sus4, down, down, up. And that's our solo rhythm there, and we'll do our solo at the end. From there we just go back to the pre-chorus, and that stays the same. So for our outro chorus, it would be similar to our previous chorus. We have the D still, down, 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 up, our D sus2 over E, down, down, up, back to our D, down, down, up, to our G, down, 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 up, our G over A, down, down, up, G over B, down, down, up, C for half a bar, down, 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 up. Then we're going to an E minor at a flat 13. So just play your E minor chord, put your first finger on the first fret on the B string, and half a bar there, down, 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 up, to D a full bar, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, G half a bar, D over F sharp half a bar, E minor half a bar, D half a bar, C half a bar, C over B half a bar. Then we're just playing A minor for one strum, to D to one strum. Then we're going back to our intro on the G and our open D strings. finish off, we're just going back to the G for a bar, D over F sharp for a bar, E minor half a bar, E minor 7, C, 2F, C and D. And we just keep repeating from that G there till the end. And we also put in the verse fills on that last line there. Now let's have a look at our main solo. So we're starting on the B 12th fret, play that, 13th fret, then bend the 13, play 13, 12, jump to the G string 14 and bend, just play 14, start in the G, 12, 14, bend the 14, and then 12, jump back to the 9 on the G string, bend, and then just play the 9. And they're all our parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Always on My Mind Guitar Lesson by Elvis Presley. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.